Cardano will be impossible to purchase in 2023. Cardano-based regulated stablecoin USDA will hit the market in early 2023. During the crypto winter, the market is being held down by true crypto aficionados. Their entities encircle Cardano. When the first quarter of 2023 rolls around, Emurgo, an early adopter and official commercial arm of the Cardano blockchain, will introduce USDA, a regulated stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. The Cardano ecosystem, USDA, will be the first stablecoin to comply with all regulations and be backed by fiat currency. Stablecoins are a type of virtual currency that's tied to a traditional currency like the US dollar and backed by one or more assets. Because of them, conventional businesses can enter the Bitcoin market. In addition, they're widely employed as a means of exchange, borrowing, and lending across the system. So what is the importance of this Cardano-based regulated stablecoin? Let's find out in today's video. Hello and welcome to Crypto Castle, where we explain everything crypto. Our channel focuses on cryptocurrency, business, the economy, and anything else that might enhance your financial knowledge. We strive to become instructive, informative, and entertaining content for you. So do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our recent videos. Today's video, we're going to talk about big news in the ADA space, the launch of Cardano-based regulated stablecoin USDA. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video where we will reveal the impact of this stablecoin on the price performance of Cardano. Now let's get right into the video. According to a report by CoinDesk, Emurgo, an official commercial arm and founding entity of Cardano blockchain, intends to release USDA, a US-pegged stablecoin, in the first quarter of 2023. In the Cardano ecosystem, USDA will be the first stablecoin that is both completely backed by money and complies with applicable regulations. USDA is set to hit the market in early 2023. In an interview, Vinith Bhavagari, managing director of Emurgo FinTech, stated that the launch of a fully fiat-backed regulated stablecoin is the next step in reaching the potential of the community. The USDA have been incorporated into the Anzens product that Emurgo produces. Customers would have access to a wide range of financial services and solutions that are based on Cardano assets if the broader proposal were implemented. These propositions include services for lending and borrowing money, payments made using cards based on cryptocurrencies, and bridges between traditional markets and decentralized applications. The next step is realizing the future for our community. It's going to be the introduction of a stablecoin that's fully backed by fiat currency and complies with all regulatory requirements. It is possible that the launch of USDA will help to foster the expansion of Cardano's ecosystem for decentralized finance. As of this past Friday, the overall value of the Cardano ecosystem was estimated to be just slightly more than $53 million by DeFi Llama, since reaching a high of over $300 million in March. This represents a decrease of 82%. According to Emurgo, the United States Department of Agriculture intends to go live on the Anzens network during the first quarter of 2023. After the launch of the stablecoin, customers will have the ability to tokenize their USD holdings using credit debit cards, wire transfers, or by exchanging ADA for other cryptocurrencies. To facilitate the issuance of USDA, Emurgo has formed a partnership with a supervised financial services organization based in the U.S. According to Emurgo, this partnership assures that the stablecoin complies with all regulatory standards and is fully compliant with all applicable laws. Alongside the tokenized of USD, Emurgo will soon become possible to convert other stablecoins such as USD Coin and Tether into USDA. Additionally, Emurgo intends to, in the not-too-distant future, make it easier to convert and trade cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether, and other similar digital assets. Now, before we proceed ahead, please take a second to like this video, subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing more up-to-date crypto content for you. Your little contribution means a lot for us. Cardano's upcoming summit and the FTX aftermath effects. Cardano is one of the most well-known blockchain protocols. However, it has been very successful in terms of development of decentralized applications that are both fully functional and widely utilized across the board. Although the competing Ethereum network contains hundreds of decentralized applications and a significant number of stablecoins, Emurgo's efforts to establish the USDA token may serve as a transition point for the development of more innovative app types. Over the past 2 weeks, the value of Cardano significantly dropped, mirroring the trends seen in other comparable cryptocurrencies. Cost of the asset in the market at the time of publication was 33 cents. The asset had an 8.33% loss in value during the course of the week, despite the value of the asset increased by 2% throughout the course of the previous day. Stablecoins continue to be a risky investment after the failure of Terra's UST earlier this year. On-chain statistics that were published not too long ago by the CEO of CryptoQuant, Qi Yongzhu, indicated that FTX stablecoin reserve has recently dropped to its lowest level in a whole year. It's possible that the introduction of USDA may help the cryptocurrency world regain its faith in stablecoins. However, in order for it to come to life, a miracle and specific numbers are required. Tokens known as stablecoins are anchored to a fiat currency, such as the US dollars, by virtue of their backing by an asset or a basket of assets. They're widely used within the ecosystem as instruments for trading, borrowing, and lending. They serve as a gateway for traditional market participants to enter the cryptocurrency market. USDA is a component of Emurgo's Anzens product, which is a part of a larger plan to provide users with a variety of financial services and products that operate on assets based on Cardano. These plans include providing services for lending and borrowing money, making payments using cards based on cryptocurrencies, and building bridges between traditional markets and decentralized applications. According to the data provided by DeFi Llama, as of Friday, this could help strengthen Cardano's decentralized finance ecosystem, which locks in a value of slightly more than $53 million. Since reaching highs of over $300 million in March, this represents a decline of 82%. According to Emurgo, the launch of USDA is scheduled in the first quarter of 2023 on the Anzan's platform. That time, users will be able to tokenize their USD holdings into USDA through the use of credit or debit cards, wire transfers, or the conversion of Cardano's native 88 token. Emurgo has announced that it has formed a partnership with a regulated financial service company based in the U.S. to serve as the banking partner for the issuance of USDA. Partnership will ensure that the stablecoin is fully compliant and adheres to regulatory guidelines, stated by Emurgo, although the company did not name the company. In addition to the tokenized of USD, Emurgo will soon make it possible to convert other stablecoins, such as USD Coin and Tether, into USDA. In the long run, the company intends to make it possible to convert and swap cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether, and other digital assets. The announcement comes several months after Emurgo told CoinDesk on the sidelines of Singapore's Token 2049 conference that it would invest approximately $200 million in the Cardano ecosystem in the coming months to increase network participation. The move comes months after Emurgo made the statement. Cardano communities expressed their excitement regarding the recent announcement. It's possible that the launch of additional stablecoins on Cardano occurred before the launch of USDA. The launch of DZED stablecoin is slated for the fourth quarter of 2022. Stablecoins based on Cardano has been a topic of discussion for some time now. The Cardano decentralized finance ecosystem currently is a TVL of 53 million, which is light years away from its all-time high of over 300 million in March. Several analysts have predicted that it will help push the ecosystem in the right direction. Cardano community welcomes stablecoin idea. In the meantime, there are other developments taking place on Cardano. Charles Hoskinson recently divulged the information that the network will soon be transitioning into the age of Voltaire phase. During this phase, the network will work towards a more decentralized decision-making process. In fact, the very first Cardano improvement proposal is already up and running on GitHub. Charles Hoskinson mentioned in an interview with CoinDesk that the company is responsible for Cardano, Input-Output Global, intends to launch a new privacy blockchain and token in the near future. Hoskinson made his statement. Midnight is going to be the name of a new blockchain that blocks an emphasis on privacy. Dust is going to be the name of the token that will accompany the private blockchain. Hoskinson stated in an interview with CoinDesk that Midnight has evolved privacy coin technology where everything was anonymous by default. This is comparable to what Zcash and Monero accomplished with their use of snarks and ring signatures. The chief executive officer of Cardano make references to the new private blockchain's ability to differentiate itself from other cryptocurrencies such as Zcash and Monero by being written in a normal programming language. Not some weird snark thing, but JavaScript or something like that. Something developers can understand and get a guarantee that you have privacy. So what are your thoughts about Cardano-based stablecoin? Will it be successful or not? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who love crypto. Also, if you want to know more about cryptocurrencies, make sure to watch this next video on our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.